Hi, Sarah here from Manky Feet, and here are my top three best Verruca treatments that you can use on your feet. A Verruca or a Plantar Wart is basically the same thing. It's a viral skin infection and they're a real pain because normally they won't go unless you use some form of treatment on them. And these are the three treatments I use in my practice that I get the best results for. Number one is Healing Natural Oils or H-Waltz formula, as a lot of people know it as. It's a little bit expensive, £34.95, so just under $40 in the US, but there are ways of getting some money knocked off the price. If you sign up, you automatically get money off if you just sign up for their special deals. And if you search on Google, you can often find a discount voucher too to use. And it's often worth ordering maybe the larger size up because you normally get free delivery as well. So that's going to save yourself about £4 on top. So it's a little bit pricier than the normal Wart products that I recommend. But I actually had this poor young teenager recently had over 20 warts on their foot. And after 2 weeks of using this product, which is an all-natural product, they were gone. It's really fantastic. It's very strong. The ingredients include things like tea tree, geranium, marigold. But if you use it daily alongside the filing and soaking recommendations that they do, it really can be a winner for your feet. The second one that most people normally use if you go to the doctors or to the local podiatrist is a product called Selactol. This is available online, normally from an online chemist. You can buy it from a pharmacist or a chemist, and it is very inexpensive. And it can be used on verrucas and also corns. But you need to be careful because it's an acid. So unless you put the product directly onto the verruca, you're going to really hurt yourself and burn the good skin. So be really, really careful. This is a strong solution, and I have had great results with this. But it is a little bit more uncomfortable to use, where the all-natural products don't do any burning or scarring. So if you're using Selactol, I'd recommend getting a loved one to help you put the application on. It is okay to use on children too, over the age of 7. The last option, which is a really common one, which you can buy it anywhere now, is the Bazooka. It's okay for a fresh verruca, but if you've got a stubborn and outstanding verruca over sort of 1 or 2 years, it's not going to work. It's too weak. It is a great solution for a lot of children whose skin's a lot younger, fresher, and warts are just treated a lot easier. It's a gel. You just pop an application onto the verruca and you leave. I'd recommend maybe putting the plaster on over it and making sure you dry the solution before you walk off. Because otherwise, if you walk onto your carpet when the bazooka's still wet, it will burn a hole in the carpet. It's not great. Anyway, that's my top three choices for stubborn, naughty verrucas, and I wish you luck. Drop me a message in the comments if maybe there's a product that you've been using that's been working a treat. Cheers.